Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Your response regarding our channel is so phenomenal. Thanks for supporting us. We are back again with another amazing video. So please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Our today's video is about pallet woodworking project, upcycle pallet wood furniture and pallet wood decoration items. So let's get started. Pallet wood has become a popular material for woodworking projects and upcycling. These versatile and sturdy and affordable pieces of wood can be transformed into a various furniture and decoration items. In this video, we will explore the various ways to upcycle pallet wood into the unique and the beautiful creation. Your response is phenomenal. So we are back again and we need your support. So keep supporting us and to subscribe our channel to achieve the milestone of 1000 subscribers and the 4000 hours of watch time. So let's get started. We are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video, we are going to show you some easy pallet wood furniture ideas. Anyone can do it by themselves and make your home beautiful and use your waste pallet in a beautiful manners and upcycle your old pallets as well. If you are looking for some easy pallet wood furniture ideas, you are in luck. Pallet furniture is becoming increasingly popular and it's easy to see why pallets are relatively inexpensive and they provide a great blank canvas for creative minds. Whether you are looking for a new pallet coffee table, pallet bed frame, and just some simple pallet shelving, there are plenty of pallet ideas out there to choose for. One of the great things about pallet furniture is that it can customized to suit your individual taste. You can paint and stain the wood to create a beautiful look you desire, and if you are feeling really ambitious, you can even add some upholstery to create a truly unique pieces. If you are not a do-it-yourself type, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to get pallet wood furniture without having to make it yourself. There are a number of companies that specialize in pallet furniture and you can find many great options online at local store. However you get your pallet furniture, it should add a touch of creativity and the personality to your home. And you can also make a pallet air drunk deck chair. If relaxing outdoor being peace of your mind, then build it this pallet air deck chair to get calm and turn outdoor. It will be you sit nice to enjoy starting at outdoor and also on the mountain peak and around the fireplace. Try this perfect choice of pallet furniture to make eye contact with nature. You can also make a pallet kid art hanger. It's encourage the kid to do more if you praise their tries and effort of doing something. So praise those painting of your kids by creating an enhancing and beautiful display of them by use this pallet hanger. Grab the pallet wood slat, stencils them to the custom coat and then fix on the wall. Nail the cloth spine on these pallet style slats to let them hold the painting of your kids' art. This will encourage your kids to do something new and beautiful, and it will be a healthier impact on your kid. Do it by yourself. Outdoor bench. Are you looking for a free outdoor bench plan? Find this free do it by yourself outdoor bench that include a step-by-step guide how to build simple bench, basic tools and the materials. And you can also make a beautiful pallet, towel rack and the shelves. A genius recycling of pallets, so they are trying to double duty, mount a cut down part of a pallet on the wall and then thread a metal rod straight through a bottom legs of it to get a pallet wall shelf and towel rack. One of the best part towel project pallet project ever. Stain or paint in a way you like it, and repurpose the pallet to build the most expensive pallet furniture like pallet bed. Stare at the design dimension of your pallet wooden bed, raised and the sturdiness and the impressive with the comeback headboard